Nami sa dako nga lake diri sa Germany. That's called Bodensee.
Bodensee, yeah.
Bodensee Lake.
You see? There is a Zeppelin on the left side.
You can see that.
Phone.
It's so nice. It's hot. See, nami sa Bodensee Lake. Muna ang pinakarakong lake diri sa Germany. This is the biggest lake.
Biggest lake here in the south.
The biggest lake here in the south of Germany. So gusto na mo adto dito sa taas oh. Manha man dig taas. Sa kahon na namong bridge. Let's go. Ay,
Walk, you see.
sa kahon na namo oh.
There's no elevator.
Taas kaayo. Pila na ka floor? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11. 11 floor. Munang kaon sa taas. Overlooking kito sa taas. Oh. Ah! Uy. It's 10th floor.
Ooh. There's a 10. There it was.
It's blurred from my
I
phone.
see it. It's a little
What do you mean?
bit cloudy.
Asa kuan saan tawagan eh lake, big lake sa pinakadagong lake sa Germany, that's called Bodensee. See, kami sa Bodensee. Biggest lake?
Biggest lake here in the south.
Curi ko boy. Put picture ko tripod.